Hey friends, how you guys doing today? This is Mr. Pogi again. Today we're going to do a quick review and installation of these Michelin Guardian Wiper Blades. I got them off at Costco for $8.99. Let's do a quick review and install. Here we go. Hey guys, here are the Michelin Guardian. They're $8.99 at Costco. They have lots of these. They're made by Pylon. I did some research and they're made in Vietnam. It says it's described as fit right design, maximum blade to windshield contact. Some of the description says here they're Duraflex cover, provides maximum flexibility, fast locking system, riveted smart hinges, natural rubber. And for $8.99 and a brand well known, why not? Alright guys, let's install these wiper blades on this Scion TC 2006. So first we're just gonna remove this off. It's an old wiper blade. This one has a hook, so we're just gonna slide it in. We're gonna remove this yellow piece for the new one. Alright guys, before I install anything, I just want to let you know that this is pretty thick and there's a nice locking mechanism here, and this is just a simple hook. So we're just gonna put it in here, and then once it snaps we're just gonna cover it and it's installed. Now we're just gonna do the other side. Alright friends, so this is just a hook. All we need to do is just snap it into place. We're just going to put it in here. Just going to hook. Once it's hooked now, snap it in. Good to go. Now let's do a wiper test. Alright guys, that seemed to be quiet and really smooth and zero streaks. Alright guys, one more thing I forgot to mention. It comes with a lot of adapters, so it's gonna fit majority of the cars on the road. So we tested it out, we did a review. It's quiet, zero streaks, and it was really smooth. For $8.99 you can't really go wrong. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Mr. Pogi's channel.